Hello friends, today we are going to see questions based on HCF LCM. So now we are going to start with the questions. So let's begin the questions. So here is another question that is in front of you. They ask you find the greatest number on dividing. Means dividing means what? This divide. So divide words come, that means HCF. Okay. Divided by comes, then it's LCM. Okay. So divide 277, 750 and 3307 leaves the same remainder 7 in each case. So what that means, you have to simply do in such case what you have to do when there is common remainder that gives, you have to separate this common number with all those. Okay. After subtracting this, all these three, what you get? 270, 700, 3300. Okay, now you have to find HCF. So for HCF, I told you have to take common numbers. The biggest common number that comes to your mind is at this stage is 10, right? This comes out to be 27, this comes out to be 75, this comes out to be 330. Now you can see there's 3 I can take common, 9 I cannot, 3 I can take common. So after taking 3, this comes out to be 9, this comes out to be 25, and this comes out to be 110. After that I cannot take any number common because it won't come, right? So this side only, for HCF I told you only this side multiplication, this comes out to be 30. 30 is the answer of this. Okay, so 30 is answer. 30 is the highest common number or highest common factor that can divide all this number. So remember the cases I told you, it tells you the same number. If they ask you for first case there is 3, for first second it is leaves remainder 4, and third it's leave remainder 6. So you have to separately separate first from this, 3 from this, 4 from second one, and 6 from third one. Okay, so this how you need to do it. Okay, this is the second case which I was talking about, when there is different type of remainder that this they give you. So in this case I told you it leaves remainder 4 for first case, 6 for second case, and 11 for third case. So you have to separately delete those numbers from them. 148 minus this, and 246 minus 6, and 623 minus 11. After subtracting this, how much you get? 144, this 240, and this 612. Okay, so now you have to find its HCF. So you have to think a number that can divide all these three. So if you take 12, this is a number that can divide all these three. So after that, this comes out to be 12, this comes out to be 20, this comes out to be 5, 12, 51. So again, furthermore, you cannot divide it. So divide, they ask, I told you, whenever there is a divide, you have to take as HCF. So they ask you HCF. So what is HCF of this? 12. Because further you cannot divide this, because 51 is a number that cannot be divided and divide further by same type of number, right? If you take 2, then this cannot be divided. If you take 3, then this cannot be divided. So similarly you have to do this. Okay, so 12 is the answer. Okay, so this is the question. So the last question that you have of HCF type, they ask you to find the greatest number when divided by 552, 277 and 427 leaves the same remainder. This is comma. So in this case what you have to do, you have to separate highest by this, second highest by this, and this by this. Means the highest number, that is 427, with two lowest number, and the remaining middle one, means it should be positive number, that's why, right? Negative number should not be there. So middle one with smallest one. So after doing this, you will get to know the answer. Okay, so after you do this, that is 427 minus 152, your answer comes out to be 275. This comes out to be 427 minus 277, this comes out to be 150, and this comes out to be 277 minus 152 and 25. So you have to think a number that can divide all those threes, right? All those three. So the number with the greatest number divide. So divide means what? HCF. If divided by, then LCM. So you have to think a number that can divide all those three. So 25 number that comes to my mind. After 25, this comes out to be 12. This comes out to be 6. This comes out to be 5. It cannot be further divided because 11 is a prime number. So you can see 25 is the greatest number. For cross verification, you can do this. 152, if you divide by 25, what remainder it gives? 152 it gives as a remainder. 277 similarly by 25 it gives 275 is the last number, but 2 is the remainder. And similarly for 427, if you divide by 25, you will get remainder as 425, 2 as a remainder. Okay, so everywhere you are getting the same remainder. So this is the magic of understanding. These are all the cases of HCF. Apart from these cases, no other question can be asked on HCF. So try to remember those three cases that I told you. First case was when the remainder was the greatest number or the smallest number that we have to find out. First case was LCM, different remainder. So you will separate those. Second case was same remainder like 3 or 4. So I told you. And third case was this one. Okay. So this is how you need to do it. So here you can see there is a question, find the least number which divided by 12, 15 and 20 leaves 4, 7 and 12 respectively as remainder. Okay. So here divided by, that means you have to find LCM. So if you find the LCM of 12, 15 and 20, the number that comes to your mind is 60, right? So 60 is the number, and find the least number which when divided by this. So what you have to do, from this you have to separate k. Okay, what is k? Whatever the LCM come, you have to separate a constant, and that constant come when you separate this from this, this from this from this. So after you do this, what you come, 12 minus 4, that is 8. 15 minus 7, that comes out to be 8. And 20 minus 12, that comes out to be 8. So every time 8 is coming, so you have to separate 8 from 16. So after you separate 8 from 60, the number that you get is 52. So 52 is the least number which when divided by 12, 15 and 20 leaves remainder 4, 7 and 12 respectively. You can check by your own. If you take 52, if you 12 divided by 12, 48, 4 is remainder in first case, right? Second, if you take another number, that is 52 divided by 15, so 45, 7 is remainder. And similarly the third case, 20, 40 will come and the rest will be remaining. So this is the universal formula that you can use. What we did, we find out the LCM, and after getting LCM we separate the remainders from separately and we find out k, that is constant. So we have to separate that constant, and the number that comes is our least number, which when divided by this successful number will give this remainder. So maths become very simple when you understand concept and when you know the tricks. Okay, so this is a kind of one. So here is a question, find the greatest number of 4 digit which is exactly divisible by 15, 18 and 30. Divisible means by means LCM. So you have to find LCM of 15, 18 and 20, 30. So the number that comes to my mind which can divide all these three is 90, right? So 90, and find the greatest number. So greatest 4 digit number is 999 minus 90 divided by 90. So it comes out to be 90 minus 9, 99. Again 9 comes as a remainder. So 9, if you add 9 to this number, this will become 5 digits. So you have to make 4 digit number. So 4 digit, what you have to do, you have to separate 9 from this. 9990 will be the last or the greatest 4 digit number, which when divide will give you which is divisible by 15, 18 and 30. Okay, thank you.